Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, so it's been over 5 days now since we did the original giveaway prize draw, and as it said in the description, we gave the winner 5 days to claim his prize. Unfortunately, we've not heard nothing. Bob has not claimed his prize, so what we're going to do is do another redraw. So without further ado, let's get over and pick the second winner. Okay, so let's try again. Let's pick another winner. Let's press the start key and good luck to everybody. Okay, so who do we have here? Ahmed Al-Quran, and the comment is, "Hi Steph, as always a lovely restoration work, as good as new, maybe even nicer with the cabochon and brushed effect. It's nice to hear the enthusiasm in your voice." So well done, Ahmed. So what we've got the pen here ready to come to you. So well done there to the winner. Commiserations to all the people that didn't win. Thank you for entering again, and as before, the winner has got 5 days to claim his prize. If not, once again we will do another redraw. So well done to the winner, and well done to everybody else who entered. So for now, I'll just say Slavo Ukraini, and from me, bye bye for now.